Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial by No Code Africa. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use Dinefolio. Alright, so Dinefolio is No Code Africa's flagship product. It is created to help restaurant owners and food vendors transform their experience. As a food vendor or as a restaurant, you can create stunning digital menus. You can accept orders via QR codes and manage delivery all from one powerful platform. Now, this is our landing page, so you can check out a couple of things here. So we have 15 plus restaurants using Dinefolio, 33 plus orders processed. Now, these are the powerful features that we have on our platform. So there is QR code menus. You can generate instant QR codes for your restaurant menu. Customers scan and order directly from their phones. We have the digital menu builder. You can create beautiful digital menus with categories, images, descriptions, and pricing in minutes. Then for order management, we have real-time order notifications and status tracking. Manage all orders from a single dashboard. We also have delivery integration. You can connect with independent riders for delivery, set your own delivery costs, and manage logistics. Then we also have flexible pricing, no hidden fees, set your own prices and delivery charges, keep more of what you earn. Then we also have that the platform is very secure. Bank level security for your business data, GDPR compliant and fully encrypted. Okay, so this is how it works for food vendors. You can create a menu, you can get your QR code, you can accept orders and fulfill the orders. These are the featured restaurants on our platform. We have Moscow, Diamala Lounge, Kestrel's Kitchen, KSmile, Snacks.ng, Urban Foods. Now, so we also have the frequently asked questions. So if at all you have like multiple questions, you can just come here to the FAQs and then you check out what is Dinefolio and how does it work. Dinefolio is a digital ordering platform that helps restaurants modernize their ordering experience. Vendors create digital menus, generate QR codes, and customers can scan these codes to view menus and place orders directly from their phones. No app download required. Okay, so you can check out all the different questions here and then see the answers that follows them. Okay, so I'm going to demo this platform for food vendors or restaurants, and then for the customers and for the riders. So the very first part I'm going to start with is going to be for the food vendor. So if you're a food vendor and you're just watching this video for the first time, trying to understand how the platform works, welcome. I'm going to just show you how to use this platform to transform your restaurant or transform your business as a food vendor. Now, this is where you click to, log in as a vendor. So if you don't have an account, you have to sign up. If you have an account, you just need to sign in here. So what I'm going to do real quick is I already have an account. I'm just going to go ahead and just sign in real quick. Now, this is Kestrel's Kitchen, all right? Address is here in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, opening hours, contact phone numbers, WhatsApp number for order notifications and all of that. So now, when you sign up for the very first time, you're expected to fill this particular information. Put your business name, put your logo, put your address, put your opening hours, put your contact phone number, put your WhatsApp number for notifications, and then put your email address as well and website URL. That's if at all you have you already have like a website. Then you need to check this particular button if you want your customers to be able to order for food outside your restaurant and get it delivered to them. If you don't check this, they will not be able to see the delivery option when they are trying to view your food menu. Let me show you real quick. Now, if I go ahead and load Dinefolio for the very first time, it's going to ask me to discover restaurants near me. All right, I can just click here to show restaurants around myself. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to come here to search for food menus around. So I'm going to search for, I'm just going to check it out here real quick. This is Kestrel's Kitchen. So I'll click on it. This is how your customers will see their, see the food menu. All right. So they'll see here where they can search for food items. They can see here where to enter order ID to track. They see your, opening time and your business details here. So another thing is they get to see this particular filter. They can filter by all items. They can filter by the categories you created. So here, Kestrel's Kitchen has pasta menu. It has a rice menu. It has proteins. All right. So let's come here to the pasta menu part. If you want to just, okay, I'm just going to try to see how I can, mix up every single thing. So both the customer can see how to use the platform in this video, and then the dispatch rider as well, because it's going to be a bit difficult to just separate it. All right, so for the customer can just come here to the food menu. So there are two ways to come here, either by accessing it via the link here, or by scanning a QR code. This is the QR code for this particular restaurant. So if you scan this QR code, it will take you to this particular link, which is where we have the food menu. So the way it works is that restaurants, your restaurant will need to print this QR code, all right, and put in the tables in your restaurant, such that your customers can just scan this QR code and then have access to this particular food menu to place an order for any of the meals that they want to have. All right, so when they scan this QR code, it brings them here, so they get to see all of this. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to show you how the customer gets to interface with the restaurant. So I'm going to add this beautiful jollof pasta with chicken. I'm going to also add asun pasta with turkey. All right, and then what else would I like to have here? I think this is all I would like to have right now. Then after that, I can go ahead and proceed to checkout, or I can just click here on my cart. So I can proceed here to checkout. Now, when I come here to show me my order summary, it will show me my subtotal, my total, and all of that. So now this is what I was trying to talk about that time, right? So if at all you don't check this, if you don't check that you want to offer delivery, your customers will see only one order type, which is just pickup. That means they're coming to dine. They're dining in your restaurant. They can't, request for delivery. So, but if you want delivery to be possible in your platform, you need to come here and then check this and just put a particular delivery cost. It's fixed here, but no problems. It can always be varied by the dispatch rider. So I'll go here and just click on save profile, and then once I save profile, I can just like reload this page real quick. Now when I reload this page, it's not gonna show me that. I have to just like go back totally and just refresh this. Okay, so once I refresh this, I can go back to my pasta menu and then add the item to cart, add this one to cart, then proceed to checkout. Now I can see pickup, dining at table, and I can also see delivery. So I'm going to show you how to use either of these this order type. So let's start with the pickup for the customer. So if at all you're the customer in this case, this particular tutorial, this particular part of the tutorial is for you. Then the food vendor, of course, you can see how your customers get to interface with your food menu by checking out this video. So here you can indicate your table number, like the table number where you're seated at in the restaurant. So I can say 45. This must be a very large restaurant. Then here you can just put your email address. Okay, then you put your phone number, then you put your name. So in this case, I'll just put my name. All right, so I can go ahead and then continue to make payment real quick. So I'll just click here to continue to make payment. It's going to ask me it's going to ask me to select my payment method. So I can say I want to make a bank transfer. That means I'm going to make payments, and then after that I can go ahead and just upload the payment receipt. So this is basically how it works. You can just click here and then upload the payment receipt and then place your order. But in this case, I just want a situation where I'm paying in the restaurant, so I pay when I arrive or I'm already there. So I'll just go ahead and click to place my order real quick, and then once I place my order, I'll be able to see my order ID. So I'll just click here to copy the order ID real quick, and after that I will go ahead and come to track order. So I can either come to track order, I just click to go back to menu. If I come back to menu, I can see where to enter order ID to track. I'll just paste it here and then click to search. This is for my customers. This is for the customers that is trying to book from Kestrel's Kitchen or from any other kitchen or from any other restaurant or food vendor. Now, this is what you get to see when you put your order ID. Okay, you get to see that the status of your order is pending. And when the status for your order is pending, you can do a couple of things. You can send messages to the food vendor. I need an extra, extra spoon. For instance, I need an extra spoon, so you can send that, and then that means the food vendor will see it in their dashboard. I'll show you that real quick, and then let's come over here to the dashboard of the food vendor. So this part now is for the food vendor. So you can come here to orders. Here on the order, you will be able to see the pending order, right? So we have here 2 pending orders, And if you come here, the order ID is G4WVXZ. So here, if you come down here, you see that there is an order here pending, total revenue. You see your total revenue, your completed revenue, your pending revenue. You see like your order analytics here. And then you see like a summary of all your orders: preparing, ready, completed. Now, what I'm going to do real quick here is I can go ahead and just like, let me show you how this works here. I can come here and just filter by today's date. Like, I don't want to see like old orders because this is like an old order, right? That wasn't fulfilled. So I can just click here and just like filter by date. It will show me only today's orders. Okay. Then I can also just filter by pending orders. I can filter by preparing. I can filter by ready. I can filter by completed. So now we don't have any completed or ready or prepared, only pending. Okay, so now I can click here and I'll see the message from the customer. I need an extra spoon. So I can just say coming right up. Coming right up. Then I'll just like respond. Okay, so now if I come back here, the customer gets to see it as well, coming right up. Perfect. Now what I need to do real quick here is, you see here your customer provide the details. You see the table that they are sitting on. So when the food is ready, the customer will receive the food at table 45. These are the other items. Now, while it's still pending, the customer can go ahead and just edit the order. So I can click here to edit the order. Oh, I don't want jollof pasta with chicken. Okay, so I can just delete this. I want to add something else. I want snail, and I want something else. I want chicken laps, for instance. So now these are the things that I want. I can just click to save changes, and then if I come here to my restaurant, I'll see that the changes has been made. I just need to refresh my dashboard real quick. Okay, but here there was, okay, I didn't get that. So here, if you come here to where we have the orders, okay, so you see that it's now asung pasta with turkey, we have snail, and we have chicken laps. Now, once the kitchen, changes the status from pending to preparing, the customer can no longer edit the items that they want to buy. Okay, so it's gone. All right, so now once that is done, it's been prepared. You see here as the customer that your food is being prepared. And when it's ready, you'll see that it's ready. So let's go ahead and just assume that the food is ready real quick. So we can just say it's ready. Once it's ready, the customer gets to see that the food is ready. Now, the next thing that happens is, of course, they'll bring the food to the customer at their table, and then they can go ahead and eat, and after that, they can make payment. All right, so this is one step of it. Let's go ahead and try another step real quick. I can go back here. Let me come back here to search. I'll go back to, Castro's Kitchen, and then I will go ahead and buy something else real quick. Now, what I'm buying is going to be, let me just say I want to buy something else like maybe asam pasta with chicken, just one thing. I'll go ahead and click to check the cart. Then this time around, I want delivery, okay? I want delivery. Now, and I forgot to mention that once the order has been processed and completed, you can check here that it's completed. And if you don't want your dashboard to be very messy, you can go ahead and just delete it. Now, as you can see, we have here that the customer wants to pay in the restaurant. This is the payment method, pay in restaurant. Now, let's go ahead and just order something else. So now we are putting delivery. So I can put an address here. This is where I want the food to be delivered to me. Okay. So I'll just say Akwa Ibom State. Then my suggested delivery fee. So this particular information is for my dispatch rider, for the dispatch rider that will see my order and then want to like make a delivery. Okay, so dispatch riders, take note of what is happening right now. So we're going to just go ahead and put in a random figure here. The customer wants to pay 1,500 for delivery to this location. And then the customer puts in their email address, puts in their phone number, and puts in their name. So I'll just still use my name. Okay, then I'll go ahead and continue to payment. I will go ahead for the payment here. I'm paying the restaurant, so I can still do either payment with card or now with card. Card payment is coming up soon. Please select another payment method. All right, so here we can do bank transfers and all of this. So I can place an order real quick. Now, once I place an order, I will be able to see my order ID. I can click to track. Now, you see things a bit different here now. So no rider assigned yet. Riders will be able to accept your delivery request soon. So let's say for the restaurant, all right, this is the new order. I can just go ahead and just change this to, let's say it's ready, totally ready. And I can come over here and it shows here ready. So now that's basically what the restaurant can do. Let's just say it's even completed. Okay, we've finished it. Okay, no, let's leave it as ready. Okay, so ready. What I need to do here real quick is let me just refresh this so we can see what is happening. So it's ready. Now this is delivery has to be made to 33 Bar Road, UU, Akwa Ibom State. Now what we're gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and just sign out of the. Now I get like real-time notifications. You can get to see the notifications here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and just log out and then sign in as a dispatch rider. So I'm logging out right now. I'll come in, I'll join as a dispatch rider. I already have an account, so I'm just going to join as a dispatch rider real quick. So you get to see how to use the platform as a dispatch rider. Okay, so I'm logging in right now as a dispatch rider. I'll just save this. Now here as a dispatch rider, I get to see the order, right? So we have here, no, this is not my order. My order is David. So this is it. Okay, no, it's not 500 naira. It's 1,500. This is the most recent one. Okay, so it shows here that the restaurant is Kestro's Kitchen. This is the address of the restaurant. For instance, the delivery address is this place. This is a customer suggested delivery fee. All right. Then all I just need to do is click to accept the order. Once I accept the order, I need to put my own fee. So I can just say 2,000. So once I say 2,000, the customer will see here that I'm saying 2,000. So if you don't want to pay 2,000, you can reject it. So when you reject it, the order comes back here. So I can now see the order again in my list of available orders. So I can now say, okay, the customer rejected it, so I'll just leave it at 1,000. I can just say 1,500, no problem. I confirm it, I'm gonna come. So once I do that, it goes here to my deliveries. All right, so it shows here pending customer approval. This is the most recent one. So I can just say pending approval. It's only one. I can filter by pending approval, accepted, picked up, delivered, and all of that. So I can come over here and see this is the customer right now. So I can just accept it. So once I accept, rider confirm, waiting for the vendor to prepare your order. Now here I will see that accepted. This is the order has been accepted, right? So what the dispatch rider will do here is just to go to the location and pick up this particular package. And then once he or she has picked up the package, they have to just mark here as picked. Now once the mark here as picked, now it shows here that it's on the way. The dispatch rider is on the way. Okay, so let's go over here and see what else. I think that's about it. Now you get to, as a dispatch rider, you get to see number of total orders, your completed successfully delivered orders. You get to see your revenue and all of that here. So now I need to show you one more thing. This was for messages to vendor. So once the dispatch rider gets the package, of course, deliver it to the customer, and then they will make payments like the way they want, by transfer or whatever. We have not integrated like a payment gateway for that. We want to just make it seamless, not burdening the restaurant or burdening the customers. So once your order gets to you, you pay the delivery person for your order. Okay, so then the next thing I need to show here real quick is this is the profile section. You can see your name, phone number, address, profile image, and then preferred routes. Okay, and then you can do here light and dark mode. See your notifications. No notifications yet. And these are the deliveries. Okay, so this is picked up, so you can mark as delivered. So once I get to the customer, I can just click and mark as delivered. So I'll mark here as delivered. So it will show here that it's delivered. Okay, and that's it. This order is completed. Now that's basically how it works for the customer who is buying food at the restaurant or ordering the food directly while they're at home. Okay, so the next thing I need to do here real quick is I've showed you how the dispatch rider works. I've showed you how the vendor works. The next thing I would like to show you is, okay, I've also shown you how the customer works. So let's just go back here to the vendor's dashboard real quick. Let me log out here and log in and walk you through some other things I never mentioned. So here you get to see some information about your stuff. Now this is the current plan, it's free. Okay, so if you come over here to where we have the homepage, you see the pricing plan. So there's free here, up to 10 menus, QR code generation, basic order management, email notifications, mobile responsive menu. Then this is starter, and then this is the professional, then this is the enterprise. So depending on the plan that you are on, some features will be limited. Like now, this particular plan is on free plan, so menu items limits to 10, and then you don't have access to the analytics. That's why it's locked right now. So, but this is how the analytics looks like real quick. Let me just go ahead and log into the admin panel real quick. So I will go to the admin panel and log in. Okay, I don't have access, so I will just come here, log in real quick in the admin panel, and then just give I'm gonna give this particular restaurant I'm gonna give this particular restaurant this particular enterprise subscription. So I'm gonna just do that. So I'm gonna come over here to where we have the plans. Then I'll find the restaurant and just upgrade the restaurant to enterprise. So this is enterprise. Now with enterprise, a lot of things will now be available. So I can just come over here. I need to like log out real quick. I need to like log out from here, from my admin panel. So I'll log out here, come in here, and then log in as my vendor. So now if I sign in, I'll see here that its current plan is enterprise. So I can see my analytics. So the analytics will be developed and made much more better than this. You can see the number of visitors. You can see the number of QR code scans. All right. So yeah, that's like it. So you can also do your settings here, change your email address, your password. What again? What again? So I think that's about it for now until we update the functionalities in our platform. I hope you like Dinefolio, and then you'll be using Dinefolio to process, accept orders in your restaurant, and also, join as a rider, use Dinefolio to place order for your food whenever you need to eat. All right. Thank you very much for checking out this demo video, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye for now. Tell people about Dinefolio. It's No Code Africa's flagship product. See you again soon. Bye for now.